Hey guys, it's Ben from Ben Stinson Films, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the CO1U Pro Professional USB Studio Condenser Microphone by Samson. So let's get started. This entire video is recorded with this Samson mic, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a look at the microphone, and also at the end I'm going to be doing a microphone test, as in I will have 4 feet away, 2 feet away, and right up against the mic. This microphone will cost you around $70 to $80 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description below. But I got this microphone because I like the sound of it. I watched a couple YouTube videos. I couldn't actually find very many English, like 2 to 3 videos. They're all in foreign countries, so I decided to buy it because I like the sound of it and do a review myself to sway anyone who wants to buy this microphone. I actually like it better than some of the Blue Yeti microphones, and most microphones around this price range is not as good as this one in my opinion. Now, opinions may differ, but I like this microphone and the sound of it a lot. So let's get started with the surrounding of the box. On the back of the box, as you can see, it's just a CO1U Pro with the microphone. On the side, there are 4 countries, none of them the United States. The front, as you saw before, and the other side. So, unboxing this box, what you see is you open it up, and it's pretty basic, straight to the point unboxing video. It has the manual with a nice microphone on top. It has 2 little cards, website and stuff, USB stand, and with a little adapter for mounting. And then the microphone itself, it's a nice metal finish. It feels very nice in the hand with the microphone port and USB at the bottom there. Everything on this microphone is metal. Nice labeling, and just looks really nice. It comes already with the attachment for the stand or whatever you're going to be putting it on. And that's that. Now on to the mic testing. I am currently around 4 feet away from the microphone. I'm speaking at a little louder frequency because I needed to get it picked up. This is the sound of 4 feet away. I am now approximately 2 feet away from the microphone. This is 2 feet away. I am 2 feet away. This is just how 2 feet sounds away from the microphone. Again, talking a little louder than if I were right up next to the microphone. Now, I am right up against the microphone, giving you some ASMR. This is what that would sound like. A little weird, but you know, it works. The rest of this video was recorded at how you would normally talk into a microphone, so no need for that. Just some close-up creepy sounding microphone. That brings us to the end of the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Tell me if you like this microphone, like this video. Link in the description to get this microphone, and if you have any questions at all, comment below, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.